This is how Casey Jones would do it.
What do you think this is?
Casey Jones would back the homemade tow truck
It
into
ain't
the hole,
fitting.
give it a little more cable, and then wrap it around. Don't you know how to operate this rig?
It ain't doing nothing.
Yeah. All right, well, you're
Right on the bead.
put it on the bead then. There he goes, the operator. The pretend operator stole my shovel. That's criminal activity right there. That's my shovel. There it goes.
How is it?
Good, everything's good. Watch my trailer, dumbass.
Huh?
Turn the wheel.
This is the operation. You ready for this?
What operation? Now we got that rig running for some reason.
You got this going like that.
I'm not cutting it with tension on it.
These two things you connect and I press this button.
I think he's going to sawzall this and hit himself in the head instead of just pulling it out. There it comes. There it comes. Oh, filling my new hole. That's why I got the shovel back. That's why I had to steal the shovel. Don't hit my trailer. Evidence.
Evidence is right.
Evan right here for the insurance agent. You're good. Missed by over an inch. There it goes. That's how Casey Jones would do it. Come on out and take a bow.